Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to turn off the screenshot sound on your iPhone. So let's get started. First method is enable silent mode. One of the drawbacks of this method is if you enable silent mode for 24/7, then you will miss call or notification. First, if you want to take a screenshot quietly, simply enable silent mode. Locate the silent switch on the left side of your iPhone and hold the action button to activate silent mode until you feel the haptic. This mutes all system sounds, including the screenshot sound. As you can see, my iPhone is not play screenshot sound when I capture screenshot. If it's not muting, then check silent switch customization under the settings and action button. Silent mode is selected. That's it. Go back and save the changes. Otherwise, open the control center at the top right corner and tap on the bell icon to mute your iPhone like this. Method 2 is connect headphones. Another easy way to turn off the screenshot sound is by connecting headphones. Plug your wired headphones or connect wireless earbuds like Apple AirPods via Bluetooth. Now, whenever you take a screenshot, the shutter sound will play through your headphones and keep your surroundings quiet. And that's it. Now you can take screenshots without any sound. I hope this video found helpful. Please like and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more new helpful tips and tricks.